Do you have a customer list from TikTok? You have live streamed, sold, run ads, and have a file of people who have bought, commented, and shown interest, but there is no way to send messages back to them in bulk? This video will show you how to send thousands of personal messages on TikTok to an existing customer file without having to text each person personally. Hello everyone, I'm Huang, a multi-platform marketing strategy consultant at MKT Company. You used to sell on TikTok, but after the live stream ended, is there no way to message all the people who watched the video? Every time a customer asks a question and you don't have time to answer, lost order? Have a list of UID files from ads, comments, and followers, but can't do anything. Thousands of customers have contacted you, but there is no tool to take care of them automatically. No inbox back equals lost order. No care equals forgotten customers. No follow-up equals missing money. TikTok Pro software is the tool that helps you reach customers quickly with just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Import an available TikTok UID file, Excel file, filtered list, or save from an old tool, previous video, or live stream. Step 2. Create content for care messages, promotions, live stream notifications, or new product seeding, and select the account you want to run the message sending. Step 3. Send mass messages with just one click. The software automatically sends each person one by one, no spam. You can use this message sending function too. Send live stream notifications, send flash sale promotion codes, send TikTok shop links, send CTV recruitment forms, send new videos to increase views, send seeding to increase interactions. No need to run ads, still sell orders. A customer of mine sells t-shirts, has a list of 1,800 customers commented on livestream. After using the mass messaging feature, 1,200 customers read the message, 840 people replied, more than 400 orders closed within 2 days. No need to rerun ads, no need for new live streams. So if you have TikTok UIDs, want to send automatic messages without having to sit and text, want to increase orders, take care of old customers, do TikTok professionally, leave a comment TikTok or call 0949-169-535 now. I support demos and free installation. And my video ends here. Thank you everyone for attending today's broadcast. If you find it interesting, please leave me a like, a share, a subscribe. See you all in the next video.